Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got a fun flashlight projector to look at. It is lightweight, very easy to move, and includes 6 interchangeable slides that fit in a variety of different holiday themes or party themes. So here is a closer look at the flashlight projector. The stand is adjustable, and you can also take it off. So let me show you that real fast. Just take it off, you screw it on. It also has a lanyard so that you can put it around your wrist just in case you're moving around with it or want to keep it secure. Let me put this back on real fast to show you a little bit more. There are 6 slides that go with this particular flashlight projector, which is great because you get a lot of opportunities to decorate for holiday festivities. Upcoming, we have Thanksgiving. Can't wait to use that for our Thanksgiving. There are snowflakes and a little bit of Christmas stuff. There's birthdays, and there's a few others as well. So you have a lot of options. Now, if you want a better look at how one of these slides go in, let me show you. As you see, there is a slit right here on the top. All you have to do is make sure your slide is down shaped like this, and you put it in. Whoops, other side. There you go, right there. Make sure when you put it in that this particular back side is facing towards the back, like this. And you put it in, and it's very easy to take out because there's a little tab like that. It includes a rechargeable battery, so all you have to do is plug it into a USB charger. Very handy, simple to use, especially if you're on the go and you have a laptop and you want to be able to use this maybe at a friend's house, or you're going somewhere for Thanksgiving or Christmas and you want to use this. It's a great way to spend and have a little bit more festivities. Alright, so we're going to take a look at this in its motion during the nighttime, inside and outside, so you can get the full viewing of what this thing truly does. So stay tuned for that.
Okay, I've got this here in the family room, and I'm holding it. I don't have it resting on the little tripod. That is very pretty. Snowflakes. The snowflakes are larger than I thought they'd be. Very nice. Let me try resting it on the tripod so I don't have to hold it. Yeah. There, you can see the projector flashlight resting on the floor. And here's what you get from it. Pretty snowflakes. So I'm gonna change the slide. I've got a snowman. What else is that? A bell, Santa, and a Christmas tree. It's resting on the tripod now. And so I can pick it up and point it wherever I want. Prop it up somewhere. So I'll try another slide. I got the Halloween. How do you like that juxtaposition? Christmas tree with Halloween ghosts. When it's on the ceiling, you can actually see it even much better than you can against the fireplace and the Christmas tree and so on. So this is kind of interesting. I guess this would be for a merchant or a trade show or something. There's a shopping basket, lipstick, shoes. Oh, Thanksgiving. Got a turkey, autumn leaves, a pumpkin, corn. Very nice. Thanksgiving. Okay, I'm going to take these outside. brave the cold and see what they look like up against the house or the garage or something. Figure it out. So I'm obviously outside, and I decided to try this against the side of the garage, which is an almost flat surface. The front and the back are not, and it's a little more difficult to see patterns when you have a front porch with columns or whatever. So this is not where I would be projecting this, but it gives you an idea what it looks like. I'm holding the flashlight now, and I'm gonna put it down. So a very nice Christmas theme. Would look great against some holiday decorations, maybe some evergreen trees or something. Let me try some of the other slides. Actually, as I'm filming this, it's just a few days before Thanksgiving. So, very timely. And I am really liking the fact that there's no cord to plug in. This is just like holding a flashlight. I have a couple other projector lights that are have cords and need to be plugged in, and kind of a hassle. But this is very nice, very handy, very lightweight.
I like the fact that this is small enough to store easily. That's a big thing with my Christmas decorations, or the boxes are big, but this is nice and easy to store. I have a couple other projectors that I've since reviewed, and they take up a lot more room than I, would like to give them when they're not in use. So that is all I have today with the Onewell flashlight projector light. Please check the description section below if you have any questions or comments, concerns. We would love to answer your comments. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys.